Hello friends, today we will discuss an important topic of economy, that is care economy. It is very important and recent topic for economics. So what is care economy? The care economy refers to all the paid and unpaid work involved in caring for others, such as children, elderly people, the sick, the people with disabilities, and in maintaining household and communities. It includes both direct care like feeding a child, nursing a patient, and indirect like cooking, cleaning, fetching water, etc. That supports well-being. So all the activities which support well-being are called care activities. In simple words, care economy is the backbone of social and economic life. It keeps people healthy, educated, and productive. Components of care economy are unpaid care work performed within household mostly by women without monetary reward, cooking, cleaning, taking care of children or elders. Paid work, paid care work is done in exchange for wages or salary. Nurses, teachers, domestic workers, daycare staff, caregivers. Public care service. Care provided or funded by the government, like Anganwadi centers, healthcare workers, ASHA, ASHA, old age homes, private care services, market-based or private sector care services, private nursing homes, child care centers, maids and nannies. Importance of care economy supports the workforce. Workers can participate in economy only if someone is taking care of children or dependents. Boosts GDP indirectly. Although unpaid care work is not counted in GDP, it enables other productive work. Third, it creates employment. Paid care sectors like health, education, domestic work employ millions of people, especially women. Fourth, promotes gender equality, recognizing redistributing care work helps to empower women economically and socially, improves human capital quality, childcare, healthcare, increase productivity, and life expectancy. So, example of care economy are a woman takes care of her children and elderly parents at home while her husband works in an office. Her unpaid care work enables him to go to work. But since her work is not paid, it does not show up in GDP even though it contributes to the economy. India's ASHA workers is the second example. Accredited social health activities provide maternal and child health care in villages. They are part of paid care economy. Their services improve public